Does your truck start up while it is still in drive or reverse? Because that is a massive safety hazard that could send your vehicle rolling right through the garage door. This diagnostic trouble code, known as P2801, is a generic powertrain code that points to a performance issue with your transmission range sensor B circuit. This sensor is also commonly called the park neutral switch or the neutral safety switch, and its entire purpose is to tell the engine computer exactly what gear your shifter is in. It ensures that your engine will only start when the transmission is in the park or neutral positions to prevent the car from jumping forward or backward when you turn the key. The computer sends a reference voltage to the sensor, and then the sensor sends a different voltage back depending on if you are in drive or reverse or park. If that return voltage is not what the computer expects to see, it will trigger this code and might even force your transmission into what we call limp mode, where you have almost no power when taking off from a stop. This is a non-emission related code, so it might not always turn on your check engine light or store freeze frame data, but it is still a major problem. This code is extremely common on four-wheel drive trucks that have been out four-wheeling and have taken a hit to the range sensor or the wiring harness underneath the vehicle. The most likely causes are a faulty range sensor, or one that is simply misadjusted and not clicking into the right spot. You might also have an open or shorted circuit in the wiring harness caused by road debris or water intrusion. To start your troubleshooting, you must first set the parking brake to stay safe. Do a thorough visual inspection of the range sensor and the wiring harness, looking for any signs of physical damage or mud that might be gunking up the connection. If your vehicle starts while it is in reverse or drive, you should unplug the sensor and try to start it again. If it still starts, then you have a short in the harness, but if it does not start, then the sensor is either faulty or needs to be adjusted. It is very rare for the powertrain control module to be the cause of this code, so do not jump to that conclusion first. You should definitely head to a professional technician if you are not comfortable adjusting the transmission linkage, or if you suspect a deep wiring issue, because a vehicle that starts in gear is a huge safety risk to you and everyone around you. Fixing this immediately will keep your truck safe, and make sure you always have full power whenever you are out on the road or the trail.